What are you gonna do?
I'm kissing.
You're gonna kiss who?
I'm kissing Easter Bunny.
You're gonna kiss the Easter Bunny, or are you gonna give the Easter Bunny a hug?
No, I'm not gonna hug him.
You're not gonna hug him?
He's nasty.
He's not nasty. Why do you say the Easter Bunny's nasty?
I don't love him.
I love the Easter Bunny.
I don't love it too.
You should love him. He's gonna bring you candy and an Easter basket and a toy. Did I say candy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a toy.
Yeah, so you should like the Easter Bunny.
And she do Easter Bunny like candy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hug him. And be nice to Easter Bunny.
Yeah, so you should be very nice to the Easter Bunny.
Oh, sure.
Easter Bunny's cool.
Oh, Easter Bunny cool. Look at breathe.
Yep. Yep. And then you get to see your cousin Jordan. Can you say Jordan?
Dory.
Jordan. Yep.
I don't like Dory too.
Yes, you do.
Hello. What's her name?
Jordan.